And Bill and Candace, yeah, this is the Canterbury Rehabilitation and Healthcare Center, and they tell us this afternoon they've seen not only an increase in the number of patients testing positive for coronavirus, but also those who have died as a result. As it stands right now, 14 patients have tested positive. 3 of them have died, and officials tell us that an additional 4 healthcare workers here at the facility have also tested positive for COVID-19. Now, what is happening locally here in Henrico County is also happening across the state, as we now stand statewide numbers at 391 cases and at least 13 deaths. And earlier today, Governor Ralph Northam saying that trend will continue, and we are going to be in this for not weeks, but months.
It emphasizes how we are just at the beginning of this.
The warning from Governor Ralph Northam is COVID-19 cases in Virginia jumped by over 100 Wednesday to at least 391 statewide, with 13 deaths. Northam says those numbers will continue to increase.
We anticipate overburdening the capacity of our current healthcare system. And so we see that coming. We want to prepare for that.
And Wednesday, Northam laid out what some of those preparations are, including talks with the Army Corps of Engineers to build field hospitals.
We are actively looking at sites in different regions around Virginia so that we can increase the capacity for bed space if we need to.
Northam says they're also trying to increase the number of healthcare workers available by encouraging people to volunteer for the Virginia Medical Reserve Corps, saying that 1,500 have already done so in the last month.
We are looking for healthcare professionals, 18 or older, both current or previously licensed, as well as students.
And Northam adds they're still working to secure as much medical equipment as possible, but adds the competition between states for supplies is driving up prices, and called again on the federal government to lead a national response.
Allowing the free market to determine availability and pricing is not the way we should be dealing with this national crisis.
And Northam says another way they're trying to preserve supplies, beds, and staff is, as of Wednesday, ordering all hospitals to stop elective surgeries. And Northam says today he is also joining with a call from federal officials that anyone who is coming to Virginia from New York, which is one of the hot spots in this country, to please self-quarantine for 14 days. Working for you in Henrico County, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.